Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer smart lock notifications from August to new phone step by step clearly. To transfer smart lock notifications from your August smart lock to a new phone, start by ensuring both devices are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. On your new phone, download the August Smart Lock app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in using the same account credentials used on your previous device. If prompted, grant all necessary permissions for the app, such as location and notifications. Once logged in, you may see a prompt to restore settings or devices. Follow the instructions if available. Next, navigate to the home screen in the app. Locate your August Smart Lock in the list of devices. If your device isn't showing, tap on Add a Device to search for it. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the Smart Lock to your new phone. You may have to enter your Smart Lock's pairing code if prompted. Once connected, ensure that notifications are enabled in the app settings. Head to the Notifications section under Settings in the app. Make sure all relevant notification types are toggled on. Finally, test the notifications by locking and unlocking your smart lock. If the notifications appear on your new phone, you have successfully transferred them. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the August support website for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, your smart lock notifications will now be transferred seamlessly to your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.